Both. You all please take out. Good morning beta. Let's start now. Previous class I discussed match the following and very short answer type question A, B and C. You all will watch the videos and then note down. Okay. What is word wrapping? Just verbally I am telling to you what is word wrapping. What is word wrapping? Word wrapping is that when you come to the end of the line and enter is not pressed. When you come to the end of the line but have not pressed the enter key, okay, enter is not pressed, then the content which cannot fit in one line will automatically move to the next line. This is called word wrapping. In Microsoft Word this feature is there. When you will type, no need to press the enter key if it is matched, and if you in a single line you cannot fit your sentence, then no need to press the enter key, automatically the cursor will move to the next line. It is called word wrapping. It is written in previous video. Now next is question number B. List the differences between undo and redo. List the differences between undo and redo. You know undo and redo command. Undo command is used to reverse the effect of the last command. The undo command is used to reverse the effect of the last command, and redo command in the right side you will have to write redo command. Redo command is used to reverse the action of the undo command, and shortcut for the undo command is Ctrl Z and shortcut for redo command is Ctrl Y. These two differences, okay. And next number C. Write the differences between cut and copy. Already written on the board. You all will watch my previous video in my e-portal. Good morning beta. And now this is write the differences between cut and copy. What are the differences between cut and copy? If you cut feature, remove the text from its original place. Remove the text from its original place. But the copy command, copy feature does not remove the text from its original place. Okay, these are the basic differences. Okay, these are the basic differences. Good morning Shahid beta. Next, now I will discuss from, I will write on the board from question number D. Nilashri, good morning beta. Now, how can we select a paragraph? How can we select a paragraph? I will start from here. Okay? Are you ready with your copy? If you've written question number, chapter number 4, this is chapter number 4, editing text in Microsoft Word 2010. If you have written, then fine. And if it is incomplete, question number A, B and C, please leave the space, one page. Okay, and then start, because you have to write these 3 questions from the YouTube. Okay, from my previous videos. Shaurya, you cannot visible. Why beta? Others can see to me. Others? Shaurya cannot see. Others? Can you audible and visible to me beta? Yes. Okay, fine. Sure. Okay, fine beta. Let's start now. Maybe Shaurya's network problem. How can we select a paragraph? Write down. This is question number 4 and you all will complete this 1, 2 and 3 from my e-portal. Okay? How can we select a paragraph? Write down the answer. How can we select a paragraph? Have you given your exam? Computer exam? And how was your exam? Okay, fine. Okay. Now write down the answer. We can select a paragraph by triple clicking the left mouse button. Ma'am, your camera is coming in hazy. Why to me? Adrija. Others can see to me clearly, me and board and voice. Others beta. Okay. If you have problem, maybe your network problem, you can disconnect yourself and connect again, beta. Adrija. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Now we can select a paragraph by triple clicking the left mouse button anywhere of the paragraph, anywhere in the paragraph. How can we select a paragraph? We can select a paragraph by triple clicking the left mouse button anywhere of the paragraph. Completed, beta? Board work completed? Where is ma'am? I am here. If I stand in front of the board, you cannot see the board clearly. That's why I am standing in a side. Okay? So that you can see the board clearly. Completed? This question answer completed, beta? How can we select a paragraph? In another way also we can select a paragraph. This is the one way. Another way also, you can double click the left mouse button, the blank space present on the left side of the paragraph. Blank space present on the left side of the paragraph, you can double click, then also you can select a paragraph. And this is the one way we can select a paragraph by triple clicking in the left mouse button anywhere in the paragraph. You have to triple click anywhere of the paragraph, then you can select a paragraph, or you can double click anywhere left side blank spaces of the paragraph, you can double click, then you can select the paragraph. Okay, can I rub the board? Beta, chapter name is already written, editing text in Microsoft Word 2010. Adrija, the chapter name is written, beta, editing text in Microsoft Word 2010. And now I am writing very short answer type question number D. Okay. How can we select? And this is page number 56 and chapter number 4. Okay. Next. Okay. Now I will rub the board. Completed? Please reply me quickly. Have you completed the board work or not? Okay, fine. Then we will start short answer type questions from A. Okay. Now we will start short answer type questions. Question number 1. First, write the different way to select a text in a document. You have to write down the different way. Write the different ways to select a text in a document. Write the different ways to select a text in a document. Here we will write the two ways. Using the mouse you can select the text, and using the keyboard and mouse both you can select the text. We have to write these two ways. Okay, so write down the answer now. First, A, text selection using the mouse. Text selection using the mouse. First write down A, text selection using the mouse. Okay, I'll see the matter, beta, Adrija. Using the mouse. How to select the text using the mouse? Write down. Start dragging the mouse. Start dragging the mouse over the text. Over the text you want to select. You want to select. You want to select, then press, then no, you want to select. Dragging means pressing and dragging. Dragging means pressing and holding the left mouse button. Pressing and holding the left mouse button and then start moving, and then start moving and then start moving the mouse from the beginning from the beginning of the beginning of the text till end, till the end of the text, end of the text. Then release the left mouse button. Then release. Then release the left mouse button. Now I am just telling the answer. Text selection using the mouse. Start dragging the mouse over the text you want to select. How to dragging? Dragging means pressing and holding the left mouse button and then start moving the mouse from the beginning of the text till the end of the text, till the end of the in the beginning of the text till the end of the text. Then release the left mouse button and then release the left mouse button. Okay. Now the next way, text selection by keyboard and mouse both. Text selection by keyboard and mouse both. Okay. All are taking that screenshot, right? You cannot write. You cannot write with me, beta. Then release the left mouse button. Okay. Then release the left mouse button. Okay. Now next part. Okay. Can I rub the board? Have you completed, beta? Okay, fine. Next part, text selection using the keyboard and mouse both. B, another way, text selection using the selection by keyboard and mouse both. Keyboard and mouse both. How? Write down. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text, at the beginning of the text that you want to select, you have to first bring the cursor that you want to select. You want to select, then press down, the shift key, and press the left mouse button till the end of the text, that you want to select. Then release all the button. Then release all the buttons. Okay. I am already inside, beta. Shahid, write down, beta. Now write the different way to select a text in a document. Text selection using the mouse already written. Now the number B, text selection by keyboard and mouse both. Place the cursor at the beginning of the text that you want to select, then press down the shift key and press the left mouse button till the end of the text that you want to select. Then release all the button. Then the text will be selected. Okay. Then the text will select. Okay. Now in this way you can select the text. Have you completed the board work, beta? Board work completed or not? Please reply me on chat quickly. Okay, completed. Okay, fine. Jarin, Shahid, Shaurya, very good. They have completed. Audrija, no ma'am. Please do it quickly, beta. Complete it quickly. Okay, Vaishurya completed, Jahin completed, Jishan completed, and Nilastri completed. Shreya completed, and Ragini completed. Fine. Okay. And Audrija, please do it quickly, beta. For today, this much. And whose very short answer type question, question number 1, 2 and 3 incomplete of chapter number 4. They please complete and they will watch my videos and note down. Okay. Okay beta, how many present today I want to see now. Adrija, Adriti, Oishwarya, Orkopriya, Jarin, Jishan, MD Aya, Nilastri, Ragini, Shahid Sheikh, Shaurya, Shreya and Tanishta. Okay, fine. Okay beta, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day beta. Bye all of you. Bye bye beta.